Do you want to speak English clearly and naturally, just like a native speaker? Then stop only studying grammar. Start training your mouth, your ears, and your brain. Welcome to Slow English Lab, the channel that helps you speak English clearly, with confidence, and with no pressure. In this lesson, you'll learn a 10-minute daily shadowing routine that focuses on rhythm, pronunciation, and connected speech. Each day, you'll repeat short, natural English phrases slowly, then faster, just like a native. This is how you build speaking fluency, not just textbook knowledge. Subscribe now if you want to practice real English slowly and clearly every day. Tip 1. Master the music of English. English is not just about words, it's about rhythm, flow, and sound. Imagine English as a song. Each sentence has a beat. When native speakers talk, they don't separate each word. They connect them smoothly and use stress to create a rhythm. Let's practice this with a real-life sentence. I'm going to go to the store. A native says it like, I'm gonna go to store. Did you hear that? The to the becomes da, and going to becomes gonna. Now try saying it slowly first, one word at a time. Then again, faster, like a native. This is how you build the natural music of English into your speech. Repeat this sentence 5 times. Feel the rhythm in your mouth. This is step 1 to sounding more fluent and natural. Tip 2. Stress the right words in English. Not every word is equal. Some words are strong and others are soft. This is called word stress. Content words like nouns, main verbs, and adjectives carry meaning and are stressed. Function words like articles, prepositions, and helping verbs are often weak. Let's try it. I need to buy some milk. Stress the important words. Need, buy, milk. The rest are soft. Say the sentence 3 times, each time making the stressed words louder and longer. Native speakers do this automatically, and you can too. This makes your English sound smooth and natural, not robotic. Repeat with different examples. She wants to travel. Stress. Wants. Travel. Keep practicing this daily with different phrases. Tip 3. Cut the T and D in the middle. Connected speech means sounds change when words are spoken together. One common feature in English is dropping or softening the T or D sounds between words. Let's take this phrase, what do you want to eat? A native speaker says, what do you want to eat? Sounds different, right? But it's the same sentence. Now try it step by step. Slowly. What do you want to eat? Now connect. What do you want to eat? Try saying it 10 times. Focus on the sound change. Don't worry about perfect grammar while speaking. Focus on natural rhythm and connected sounds. This is what real-world English sounds like. Tip 4. Blend words like a native. Blending happens when the final sound of one word links to the first sound of the next. For example, can you help me out? Becomes can you help me out? Try it with other examples. Did you eat? Did ya eat? Don't know? Dunno. These blends happen naturally in everyday English. Practice makes it easier. Say the sentence slowly. Can you help me out? Then say, can ya help me out? Practice 5 times. Record yourself and listen. You'll notice the flow sounds smoother and more natural. Keep practicing with new phrases every day. Tip 5. Use natural intonation. Intonation is the rise and fall of your voice. It tells listeners if you're asking, excited, bored, or unsure. It's the melody of your message. Say, are you coming 3 ways? Flat, rising, and with excitement. Flat, boring. Rising, curious, excited, emotional. Intonation adds life to your English. Try this daily. Pick a phrase and say it with 3 different emotions: happy, angry, confused. For example, what are you doing? Try it now. When shadowing, copy the exact tone and emotion of the speaker, not just the words. You'll start sounding more like a native. Tip 6. Practice contractions. Contractions are a big part of spoken English. Native speakers rarely say, "I am going to be late." They say, "I'm gonna be late." Try this: "I'm tired," "You're funny," "They're here." These short forms make your speech faster and smoother. Say them slowly. "I'm tired," "You're funny." Now faster. "I'm tired," "You're funny." Say each one 5 times. Contractions help you connect words and sound natural. The more you practice them, the less you'll sound like a textbook and more like a real English speaker. Tip 7. Mimic emotion and speed. Shadowing is not only repeating, it's acting. Mimic the speaker's emotion, speed, and volume. This helps you speak with feeling, not just function. Say, "No way," with surprise. Now try, "I don't believe it," like you're shocked. Feel the words. Use your face and voice. Practice saying the same sentence with different emotions: happy, sad, angry. This will build your speaking confidence and natural expression. Record yourself and compare with the original. The goal is not perfection, it's progress. Tip 8. Add pauses to breathe naturally. Don't try to speak English like a robot. Native speakers pause after ideas, not just at punctuation. This makes your speech more natural and easier to follow. Practice with this. "Today I went to the park and I saw a friend." Pause after the first idea. Try again. "I love learning English because it opens doors." The pause gives you time to breathe and organize your thoughts. It also adds rhythm and clarity. Shadowing with pauses trains your brain to think in chunks, not words. Practice 5 phrases each day with natural pauses. Tip 9. Use real-life phrases. Real-life English is not textbook English. We say things like, "Let me see," "Hang on a sec," "I'm not sure." Shadow these phrases daily. Say each one 10 times, slowly, then faster. Add emotion, don't just repeat, live the phrase. Use it during your day. When you want to delay something, say, "Hang on a sec." When you think, say, "Let me see." This builds confidence and connects your learning to real life. Make a list of 10 everyday expressions. Shadow them each morning. Tip 10. Make it a 10-minute habit. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Pick 5 phrases from this lesson. Shadow them like this. 1. Say slowly. 2. Say naturally. 3. Say fast with feeling. Repeat each one 5 times. This is your fluency workout. Just 10 minutes a day will train your brain, your mouth, and your ears to speak clearly. Small daily habits lead to big results. Don't skip days. Stay consistent. Track your progress. Over time, you'll notice you speak faster, smoother, and with confidence. Shadowing is your secret weapon. Use it every day, even if just for 10 minutes. Conclusion. Speaking English clearly is not magic, it's muscle memory. Shadow these phrases daily. Feel the rhythm, connect the words, use your voice, speak out loud. Practice with emotion, repeat with rhythm, shadow with energy. Don't forget to subscribe to Slow English Lab for more slow speaking practice, listening drills, and real-life English. Leave a comment. What's one phrase you're going to shadow today?